Mix chia with coffee to lose weight and burn visceral fat fast. Drink coffee every morning, yet your belly fat never moves an inch? Then listen carefully, because there's a tiny morning mix almost nobody uses, even though the people who do try it swear it changes their hunger, their cravings, and even their waistline. And the moment chia hits hot coffee, something surprising happens inside your gut. Most people never hear this, but you will. Before I reveal the exact mix, answer this in the comments. What's the first thing you put in your stomach every morning? Coffee, tea, or nothing at all? I'm asking because what you drink first secretly decides how hungry you feel hours later, and most people never realize why. Alright, here's the real problem. Most people drink coffee on an empty stomach thinking it gives them energy. It doesn't. Not the kind your body can actually use. What it really gives you is a spike in stress hormones, in blood sugar, and in morning cravings. That's why by 11 a.m. you're irritated, hungry, and reaching for snacks you didn't even plan for. That's also how belly fat sneaks in quietly. Now, chia, the part nobody uses right, people toss it into yogurt or sprinkle it on salads thinking it magically helps with weight loss. But dry chia, it barely works. It never expands. And your stomach can't use what never hydrates. Now here comes the part almost nobody knows. This is where everything shifts. When chia meets hot coffee, the seeds swell instantly. They transform into a gentle, soft gel that sits in your stomach like a slow anchor. It fills you up quietly, slows digestion, and shuts down those sudden hunger spikes that trigger sugar cravings. It's simple, but shockingly effective. Here's exactly how to make it. 1 tablespoon of chia. Warm or hot coffee. Let it sit a few minutes until it thickens into a gel. Drink it slowly, and let your body register the fullness. Most people say their snack cravings drop almost immediately. Some even feel calmer, because their blood sugar isn't jumping all over the place anymore. Now here's something most people never think about. Visceral fat, that deep belly fat around your organs, grows fastest when your blood sugar keeps spiking and crashing. The chia gel smooths out those swings. And coffee, paired with fiber instead of an empty stomach, gives you a clean metabolism lift without the crash. Together, they act like a quiet morning reset button. If this is already helpful, hit the like button so more people can learn simple morning habits like this. The part nobody talks about. When chia expands in your stomach, it does more than fill space. It slows down the way your body absorbs carbs later in the day. Your lunch doesn't hit your bloodstream like a sugar bomb. Your insulin stays calm, and calm insulin equals less fat stored around the middle. This is why so many people feel their cravings disappear in under a week. But here's the twist people never see coming. The real power of this mix isn't the caffeine, and it's not the fiber alone. It's what happens once your morning hunger finally settles. When you stop fighting cravings, your body gets a break from constant eating. And that break is what helps burn visceral fat, slowly, naturally, and safely. Not from starving, not from extreme fasting, just from controlling the morning chaos. Remember this line: your body changes the moment your mornings do. Try this mix for 7 days. Watch your hunger, watch your energy, and notice how your clothes start to feel. And if you want another simple morning tip for digestion and bloating, tap the next video. You can start that one tomorrow morning.